car back? I've been asking all night. Can I get my car back? Like, I don't care about the argument. I don't even know what the argument is about. I just want my car. I don't want to deal with anything. I know anytime we get into it, whether I'm right or wrong, he puts his hands on me or he threatens to put his hands on me. It gets very violent. There he is.
In your car or walking up?
He's walking.
She pretty much like we're in a relationship, arguing, conversation. Yeah.
Pat him down, please.
What's that?
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons on me. What's out like that? This is cute. Don't got no weapons on me.
Hands on your pockets. Okay. So, what's your side? No.
I ain't got no side. I ain't got... Whatever she said is what it is. So whatever she want to do, let's do it. And see how far she want to take it.
Where is her car?
At her mom's house,
Let's see how far she want to take it.
He's saying he just turned over her mom.
Mm-hmm.
How far you want to take it? I'm not sure.
What do you want to do?
I want my car.
Okay, I think it's at your mom's house is what he's saying.
How did he get here if it's at my mom's house?
I know. Can you call your mom to see if the car's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
She just called me.
Okay, and see if she's got the keys.
So I will call back.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Yeah, call her real quick.
I just want my car. I don't care about anything else. I'm over it. I've been with it for 3 years.
Yeah.
Mom. What? Is my car at the house?
What?
Is my car at the house? I have the police here at Sheikah's house to get my car. It's not at the house? Okay. It's not home.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna send you you have my location, right? I'm on Green Acres. Yeah. Bye. It's not at my house.
Okay, and mom's there right now?
My mom is there. She's coming here.
She's coming here? Okay.
Yeah. My car is not here. I mean, at my house. And I don't see it anywhere in the vicinity.
Did you have her look around? I mean, why would you park around?
Detain him, please. I need an affidavit from you. Okay.
Where's that?
That's where you're filling out that you're wanting to pursue charges. Okay. Where's our car? Where's our car, Marquis?
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her more?
Mm-mm.
Her keys right here. Her keys right here. Can I give you her keys?
I'm sorry.
Have you ever filled out an affidavit with us before? Okay, so the suspect is going to be his information. This, where it's the narrative, that's going to be what happened, the incident, okay? And then all of this is going to be your information, all right? So don't sign this until I swear you to it, all right? Okay? If you have any questions, get with me or get with one of the deputies, okay? And don't listen to what he's running his mouth right now. Just let him run his fucking mouth. Okay. also need to provide her information about an injunction.
Yeah, it's the same for cars at Heather Home.
I don't remember.
I'll read it off to you. So it's 850. It is 917.
What did I call?
From their mom, the car's over there.
No, Mom said that the car is not over there at her
My mom
residence.
is on her way here.
But Mom said car is not there.
Car is not there.
Okay. So let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. I agree with you, ladies.
It's okay.
I agree that it's somewhere probably within about a mile.
I'm trying to think where it would be. Is anyone by his house in Shalimar? Is my car there?
No, I think it's going to be somewhere around here. Excuse me. We're going to check around here, and then if we can't find it, then we'll start looking up other places.
You didn't say where it is?
He's playing games right now.
He's gonna play games. That's what he's gonna do.
Mm-hmm. If he had the firearm, would he leave it in your car? No?
He would leave it in his own car.
He'd leave it in his own car.
If there was any weapon, it'd be in his car, not in mine. I hope
Right.
mine.
Right. When he sent you the picture that we're looking at that we can't figure out what it is.
That is. I think it's. What do you think that is?
I don't know. I really don't.
Like honestly,
It's a weird picture. It's like
it was a
keep
threat,
playing on me.
and it's my not dashboard, but
Your screen.
my screen.
Right.
You know, so it's like, why would you send me a picture of that? I'll show you again and
Yeah.
tell me what that is. I don't know. Like, I don't know what that piece is because that's not ordinarily there.
Right. Does he have anything on the firearm, like any aftermarket?
Like a silencer?
Mm-hmm. That's what that is.
I'm about to cry. But yeah, he has more than one weapon, and I just wouldn't think he'd have it in my car or toting it around
Okay.
or anything like that. But he's sending me a picture, threats, and I'm like, what is that? Me and her both trying to figure it out. Like, what is that?
I couldn't even tell.
We couldn't even tell, but more than likely it probably is a weapon. And he's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit up. Like, I'm gonna bust your windows. I'm gonna bust your radio, whatever. He's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit. Like,
Okay.
by the time you get to your car, it's gonna be over with. And I'm like, okay. At this point, I want to be done with it. I don't even want to entertain it because he is known for playing games.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, I need to show you, like, I'm not playing. I want my car. That's that. I don't know what the fuck he has going on, but
Get the picture. If she'll give it to you, because it looks like a silencer pushed up to the dash area. If you want to go ahead and transport him, I'll stay here and get the affidavit.
Okay. And then, just because you mentioned that.
I'm sorry, I put these on.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Like that. Is there anything else I need to fill out?
So if you can tell me what the vehicle is and how much you think that it's valued at.
Like how much I paid for my car?
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Okay.
They got it?
Okay.
They found it.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glenn.
Is that the other place?
That's those apartments. Like on that one road where the two gas. He must have walked. How far is that? I mean,
I'd say about
walking-
2-3 miles.
Walking is a little minute, but driving is not too far.
I'm pulling out your full search warrant.
Okay.
But driving is not too far.
I'm pulling out your full search warrant.
fired! You know. Oh, I'm hit! I'm hit! What? I'm hit! In the car! I was shot through the car! Oh! I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know. I might have hit my vest. Stay inside your house. Stay inside your house.
Stop right there. Marquis! Marquis!
It might have hit my vest. I don't know, but I'm not.
Marquis!
I don't know. It felt like it.
Jesse, move over to me. I got you. Move over to me. Jesse, come back. Mark vehicle right there.
Dude, am I hit?
Come on. Let's get further back.
Do you know your tag number off the top of your head? Okay, it's okay. What? Where? Right there? Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he?
In the car!
43, give me traffic. Shots fired. I got a deputy down.
No! Please, no! Please!
Off of McLaren. We're off of McLaren. Shots fired. I got a deputy down. Jesse, how are you? Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get
inside your house. Stay. Yes, stay inside your house.
Do you have any movement? Stop. Stop right there. Stop right there.
Yeah. Do you see anything on my vest?
What are you feeling? Did you feel anything?
My legs went numb when it hit me.
Alright.
I don't know. My legs went numb for a second. I heard a pop come from.
Go this way. Can you move?
Yeah.
I got you, buddy.